Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. In this one, we're gonna be learning about this keyword in JavaScript. So before going into the video, I would appreciate you guys liking and subscribing the video and feel free to comment. So let's go into topic. So basically, to define this keyword, it's basically a keyword that represents the specific context you are in. So that's basically what it does. And let's go ahead and see example. And the main thing I'm creating a video on this is because I'm gonna use this keyword a lot of times in the future videos if you see them. And so that's why I just wanted you guys to understand this, and so that you guys do not understand like, oh, what is this keyword and stuff. So that's why I'm making this video, so if you want you can understand this. And so first, let's begin with having our output variable, and here I'm just gonna say document.getElementById, and the ID should be result, which I'm gonna be creating as I said always, and let's just do that. And there we go. And now we can just have our let a equals, which is basically our variable, and here I'm just gonna have these curly braces and then gonna have my properties. So the first property I'm gonna have is a fruit, and this is basically I'm just gonna have a type, or let's just say the fruit, and then after this I'm gonna say something called fruit name. So in this fruit name, I'm just basically gonna say the fruit of using a function, so that we can understand better understanding of what is this do. And let's go ahead and create our anonymous function for now. Function in our dish like that, and that should be it. So we got our function, everything and stuff. Now we basically have forgot we have to also have a comma, so that we can have much more properties. So if you want to have more and more properties, you have to use a comma for these, and that's why you have to use comma. So let's go ahead and do in our web page output dot inner HTML, and then we can just give equals, and then we can just say our fruit. Let's just do that, and that's basically what it does. So it's basically gonna refer to the fruit. So let's go ahead and first call this and see if it works or not. So let's just do fruit, since it's a function, parentheses, and that's basically it what we have. And let's hope it works, and I don't think it's gonna work though. So first, let's go ahead and do doc type HTML, our HTML tag, and then our body tag, just like that. And then we're gonna have our h2, which is gonna have our ID as result, and there we go. And then we're gonna have our script tag right here, script source equals our index.js, and our ending tag, and that should be it. So let's just go ahead and open with live server. So there we go, we just hosted the live server, and as you see, it doesn't work because we are not referring anything right here, and we are not even defining where this fruit is there. So that's why what you have to do is you have to do a dot and then fruit, and then that's basically gonna say check inside this a if the fruit property is there, and that's basically there. So it's just gonna give us apple, and there we go, that does work, apple. So that does work. So that's basically what you're gonna do. And instead of this, you can just use this keyword, and there we go. That's basically how you can do that. It's basically simple, this word, and then that should be it, this dot through. So basically instead of a, you're just gonna use this, and this is gonna refer to the specific context you're in, which we are in a, and if you're in B or something, it's gonna refer to that. And you can use this many times as you want, so there's basically no limit of this, and it's kind of like whatever you, how much times you want, you can just use it, unless if you're in a context, and that should be an object. Since our a is an object, we are doing that. And let's just go ahead and see if this works. So apple, that does work 100%. And oh, what if you just use this dot something? So let's just say this for now, and guess what it's gonna print us? It's basically gonna do us nothing for now, because we don't have anything right here. But instead, what if you do console.log, or you can even do output.innerHTML, and then you just do this. And there we go. Now let's go ahead and go to our console and see what it does. So it just gave us something called window, but we don't have anything window right here. So basically the window it's referring is our web page, or our window which we are in. So if I go ahead and click this, and there we go, that's a lot of stuff we cannot read, and it's a whole lot, so we don't want to read all those. And that's basically what it gives. So I'm just gonna give you guys what it does and stuff. So that's why I just showed you what it does. And you can also do, if you just wanted to see in your output, let's just do output.html equals this, go do that, and object window. So that's basically what it's gonna do. It's not gonna give you the whole thing, but it's just gonna say object window, because we are already in an object which is window, and this is basically gonna refer to an object, and that's basically what it does. So as I said, you can have many of these, and let's go ahead and get our example there. And let's go ahead and get our that one, and there we go. So let's go ahead use this. So here you can also even combine these using like this and the next verse you have or something, or you can even do that. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.